Welcome to my review of Hair Restoration Houston. In this video, I'm going to walk you through everything this website has to offer when it comes to treatments for hair loss and alopecia. From the moment you land on the site, you'll notice its clean design, but does it match up to the expectations in terms of services? I'll break it all down for you. Hair Restoration Houston promises cutting-edge solutions to hair loss, with treatments ranging from hair transplants to PRP therapy, all designed to restore your hairline and confidence. But is the process as smooth as it seems? I'll talk you through the treatment options they offer, how the site presents the information, and how easy it is to navigate. Now, let's talk about user experience. I found the website itself relatively easy to navigate, with a clear layout that's broken down into sections for services, patient testimonials, and before and after photos. However, there's a bit of an overload of information that can make it hard to know where to start. But the real question is, does the treatment live up to the promises on the website? That's what we're here to figure out. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Overall, my experience with Hair Restoration Houston was mixed. The website does a great job presenting its services and offering consultations, but I found the lack of detailed pricing information a bit frustrating. The before and after photos were impressive, but they don't always tell the whole story. While I haven't personally undergone a procedure, I've spoken to clients who have mixed feelings about the results. Some saw noticeable improvements, while others were less satisfied with their outcomes. If you're considering hair restoration in Houston, it's worth scheduling a consultation to see how they can help your unique needs. However, I recommend doing your research and comparing multiple clinics before making a decision. I hope this review gives you a better understanding of Hair Restoration Houston's offerings. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe for more reviews on hair restoration and alopecia treatments. Don't forget to check out the useful links in the description below.